Lot 132 is the 1959 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud 1 Drophead Coupe. This is one of the company's rarest cabriolets. Only 13 were built. This one specially ordered by the sportsman Norman Butler of Illinois, with an additional $15,000 in unique features, including power windows, steering, and a top, as well as a rear seat designed to fold flat for additional luggage space. It's a multiple award winner that is nothing short of stunning. The one of 13, 1959 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud.
Thank you very much, Alan. A lot of interest, such a stunning motor car with so many nice special features in this car. I just love the color combination. I think it's absolutely magnificent. Ladies and gentlemen, where are we going to start the bidding on this fabulous Cloud 1 Drophead Adaptation? I think at a cool $250,000. Would you bid me $250,000? Thank you. $250,000. I have taken $300,000 already. Yes, absolutely. At $300,000, $350,000 if you like. $350,000 I have here on my right. At $350,000, do I have $400,000 now? $375,000 I have taken. Would you bid $400,000 I have? $425,000 if you like. Absolutely. $425,000 I have taken. $450,000 I am bid here. Do I have $475,000 now? We're at $450,000, then I'm selling the car here, $465,000. Do I have $500,000 here? At $500,000, do I have $525,000? Thank you. $525,000. $550,000 if you like. $550,000 I am bid. At $550,000, do I have $525,000? We're at $550,000. I'm selling here. $575,000 I have. $600,000 I am bid. At $600,000. Do I have $625,000 now? $625,000 I have. $650,000 I am bid. Back in with me. On the aisle at $650,000. Well, thank you for the bids, gentlemen. We tried. At $650,000, then it's on the aisle. It's selling for the first time. At $650,000, it's going for the second time. Slipping away, it's his car. For the third and last time at $650,000. Those are your cars. Congratulations. Beautiful, beautiful Rolls-Royce. 112 RJ, $650,000.